Good morning, student. Student, topic height and distance is continued. Height and distance. Question is, the angle of elevation of an aeroplane from a point on the ground is 60 degree. Let there is an aeroplane A, its angle of elevation is 60 degree. After a flight of 30 seconds, the angle of elevation becomes 30 degree if the aeroplane is flying at a constant height of 3000 root 3 meter. So here airplane is moving some distance or the time is given 30 seconds. Then angle of elevation is 30 degree. Then this height is 3000 root 3 meter. Find the speed of the aeroplane. Student, this height is also 3000 root 3. Let aeroplane from A point to reach to the point B in 30 seconds. Let it is P, it is Q, this point is O. Then in triangle OAP. In triangle OAP, tan 60 equal to AP upon OP. Tan 60 is root 3. AP is 3000 root 3 upon OP. So root 3 cancel. From this we will get OP, which is 3000 meter. Then in triangle OB is P. OBQ tan 30 is equal to BQ upon OQ. Now it is 1 upon root 3 equal to BQ is 3000 root 3 upon OQ. From this we will get OQ, which is root 3 into root 3 is 3. So it is 9000 meter. Now we will find PQ. PQ is OQ minus OP. It is 9000 minus 3000. So it is 6000 meter. Now to find the speed, so speed equal to distance upon time. Speed equal to distance upon time. Distance is 6000 and time is given 30 seconds. 1 0 cancel. It is 3 2 is 6. So it is 200 meter per second. Speed of the aeroplane is 200 meter per second. Student, now next is question 5. Here the angle of elevation of the top of the building from the foot of the tower is 30 degree and angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 45 degree. If the tower is 30 meter high, find the height of the building. So student, let this is the tower, there is the building. The angular elevation of the top of the building from the foot of the tower. Let it is the foot of the tower. It is top of the tower. The angle of elevation is 30 degree. And angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building. It is B. This angle is 45 degree. That it is. If tower is 30 meter high, find the height of the building. Let it is H. Student, let this value is X. And draw the perpendicular from A to the tower. Let it is P. Then in triangle AFB, in triangle AFB is tan 30 degree equal to AB upon X. This BF value is X. It is 1 upon root 3 equal to AB upon X. We have to find the AB, which is H. So H upon X is 1 upon root 3 and H equal to X upon root 3. Let it is equation 1. Then in triangle TBF, tan 45 is equal to TF upon X. It is 1. TF is 30 upon X. So X equal to 30 degree, 30 meter. Now H equal to 30 upon root 3. Then we rationalize it. 30 root 3 upon root 3 into root 3 becomes 3 and 3 tanja. So it is 10 root 3 meter.